Now the next topic is matter, and the definition of matter you have studied in class 9th. Anything which occupies some space and have some mass is called matter. Now matter can be classified as mixture and pure substance. The mixtures can be further classified as homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture, and pure substances can be classified as elements and compounds. Mixture, it is made up of more than one type of substance. Example, salt and water mixture. If we dissolve salt in water, we will have a mixture. Now, what is homogeneous mixture? Homo means same. A homogeneous mixture has same composition throughout the mixture. The composition of homogeneous mixture is same throughout. Like if we dissolve sodium chloride or salt in water, we will have a homogeneous mixture, because if we test the solution from anywhere, we will have same taste. It means the composition of that mixture, the mixture of salt solution, will be a homogeneous mixture. Now similarly we can say for sugar also. Sugar dissolves in water to give homogeneous mixture because the composition is same throughout. Now heterogeneous mixture. Hetero means different. The composition of mixture is not same throughout. If we drop sand in water, the sand will settle down at the bottom, so we will not have a homogeneous mixture. The composition will not be same throughout, hence it is a heterogeneous mixture, sand water mixture. Soap solution is also a heterogeneous mixture. Salt sugar mixture. If we mix solid sodium chloride and solid sugar, we will have a heterogeneous mixture. But if we dissolve salt and sugar both in water, we will have a homogeneous mixture. In solid state, the mixture of salt and sugar will be heterogeneous, but in case if we dissolve in water, they will give homogeneous mixture. Now pure substance. A substance which has fixed composition is called pure substance. Now the pure substance can be classified as first element. An element is made up of same kind of atoms like Fe, Mn, Co, H, O, N. Iron, manganese, cobalt, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Iron is made up of same atoms that are of iron only. Manganese have only manganese atoms. Cobalt have only cobalt atoms. Hydrogen have only hydrogen atoms. Oxygen have only oxygen atoms, and nitrogen have only nitrogen atoms. So an element is made up of same kind of atoms. Now compound. A compound is made up of more than one type of atoms like H2O, CO2, C6H12O6, C12H22O11. Hydrogen oxide. The water is made up of 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Carbon dioxide is made up of 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. Glucose is made up of 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen and 6 oxygen atoms. So a compound is made up of more than one type of atoms.